So guys, welcome to my vlog. So we're trying to get on the top. As you can see, I'm a pro here, and let's do it. I want to start in a minute. 59 seconds. Isang stage pa to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm gonna start right now. It's 5 stage pala. So guys, support me. I'm a pro here. Yes. I hope you guys support me, please. Ow! Pointing me inside out, running round. I'm sorry if I'm singing. It's my habit. So, speed up to the next round. Ayun. Also guys, bago look at here. I can do this also. Oops! Start na pala yung round. Uy guys, ako'y nangunguna. I hope I do not fall. My gosh! Guys, if I fall, hindi na ako pro dito. And I lost this challenge. Guys, may mga skips dito kaya para mabilis ang inyong parkour. Ang nasa tower of jump ako, so para madali kasi. And nasa dulo na ako. And guys, minsan kaya hindi kayo mananalo kasi merong 6-7. I'm just gonna try to win 5 times. Yeah, and I win 2 times na. May mga nag-block sa inyo kaya minsan nanguhulog kayo dito. Oh my gosh. Oh. You did not see that, guys. Oh. Bruh! I forget to jump. Yan, pindutin nyo tong green. Wala kayong magagawa if you step on it. Pindutin nyo lang. So guys, may swimming pool dito. Para sa naman itong swimming pool? I don't know too. Maybe there's a secret. Oh, another. Oh, inaano ko lang yung ulo ko guys dito kasi baka may secret. Kaya may swimming pool or gusto lang talaga. Baka may gusto lang talaga lumangoy kaya naglagay sila. So may tic-tac-toe dito guys. Yan o. Maglalaro kayo ganun. Like that. Oh! Nanalo pala yun. Hindi ko alam yun. So dito guys, meron din dito. Nawawala yan. Look. Diba? I always do this if I'm here. Because why not? Challenge. Oops. So, see you to the next round. Why is there a squad there? So guys, round started na. And yeah. Oh. Guys, hindi makaaabot pala ito ng 70. Ng win 70. Kasi 5 times kung kailangan mag-win. nag-win na ako ng 2 ngayon. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Ganun, dapat guys, may mga skip na ganun. So, you need to... Kala ko nasa taas na ako. I thought I'm on the top na. Kasama ko sa nangunguna. Ako pang second. So, guys, kaming 2 ang nasa una-una. And, yeah. 68 na. Day 68. Sorry, guys. Oop! I fall down. And see you to the next round again. Guys. So, pinapahirapan ko lang yung sarili ko, guys. Imbes na mag-ladder na talon siya, guys. Oops! Baka mahulog! Gutom na ako. Guys, subscribe nyo naman ako. Add nyo akong ganan, guys. Nag-equip ako ng hollow bag basta. You know na? You know what I meant? No. Because you're not me. Oh! Why do I keep... I hate that part. I hate that part. Binabala ko nga sanang wag mag-voice reveal kasi tinatamad ako mag-edit kasi ang daming i-edit pa, that's why. So nag-edit din naman ako. So guys, naglag ako tsaka nag-iba ako ng server kasi nag-live nga ako, diba? Kasi naglalag ako, so that's why. So guys, before my English is fluent and yeah, hindi ako nauubusan ng sinasabi sa English. I can English everything, I think. And yeah, may challenge akong gagawin ko sa sarili ko, guys. I will start doing parkour. I will do the obby if I have a minute left. And let's wait. Oh, 70 na ako, guys, kasi 3 wins na ako, right? Kasi nag-claim ako. I get another award. So 71 na. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Minute na lang. Okay, I hope kaya ko to. This is my challenge for myself. So I got 3 rewards, 1 win plus parehas. And I think I can do this because I'm all the way up na. Lapit na ako. And this girl is AFK. Oh my! I cannot do it, guys! Oh my gosh. Pretending to be cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, I did not win that round. Uy. Nasa taas dapat tayo, guys. Ikaw na! Oh my gosh! Don't be mayabang, guys. That's a lesson. Oh my gosh! So, I have to win 1 round na lang. Because I didn't win that round. I want to win 5 times. But I didn't win that round. Oh my gosh! Sorry. Sorry guys. I'm itchy. Why do I keep falling? Oh my. Wait, current players then. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys for the notification. Shout out, Kira. Hira? Actually. Ang arte mo, be! Hindi ka kuya ha. Oh my gosh. Laki ako nahulog sa part na yun! Sorry. I don't have any patience, guys, so, yeah. Tatanong na mga guys dito. Lagi ako nahulog. I don't... Dito ako lagi nahulog. Dapat perfect yun. Oh my gosh. If I could speak every country's language, that would be cool. But I'm not gifted. I'm special. Everyone's special. Yeah, don't compare yourself, guys. Everyone is special. Ba't ako napunta sa part na yun? What? 2 minutes na lang? Dapat nasa taas na ako kanina pa eh. Yan guys. Ang ganda ng feet niya. It will be prettier if you have headless. Pero ang mahal na ng headless. Right? So guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.